Alright guys, we got our 5 packs.
Shut up, open the pack.
3 or 5 on the board, gonna open his 5 Star Strike Blast.
I'll give you a
Here we go.
breaker, whatever.
Highway Breaker, Yehuda, our guide.
Yo, hold on. One at a time, guys.
Oh, fuck it. I got next. Me and Yehuda at the same time. Yehuda got hollow.
Yeah, he already got a hollow. I'm taking advantage of space.
Next pack. Yo, show the card.
Hey, what's this psych blocker?
Oh, he
15
got a hollow.
bucks.
That's a secret. I traded that
10
to
to 15 bucks. But nice pull.
Hey, I pull a blocker.
cock blocker.
I got cock blocker.
That's Gustavo in the future.
Where?
The robot?
Right there.
Oh.
Hey, what the hell is this scrap shit?
Oh, that's a Scrap Soldier.
Oh, he got the Shogun.
Alright, let me get that.
That's secret? Nah, it's Ultra.
Ultra. Oh,
he got
that's
the-
good. You got Turbo Synchro. Alright, Mark, go here.
I got one more.
Yeah, one more
Oh,
pack.
really?
Yeah.
Trade me can you trade me Samurai?
Ew.
Ew.
Ew, that's awful.
Not y'all.
Oh,
My pulls.
I might need that.
Alright, go ahead. We got Markinatrix opening his 5 packs.
Hey, I pulled some shitty
You haven't put on a fucking video in ever.
Yeah,
I don't have a fucking computer.
Computer?
Yeah, put the cards
I
over
bought
there.
his computer.
Or in a synchron.
That's good.
I pulled a secret.
If you get vanity space, I want it.
Yo, Anthony, you next. After
bitch.
Brian.
No, that's not his blue card.
You good?
I sold my blue card.
Oh.
Yeah, the fun for trade.
That's all.
What?
That's all.
What?
He does.
Yeah,
Yo.
you gonna get this from me, Anthony?
Oh, I didn't bring any.
The Shogun?
Stupid. Look, he's ready to buy him.
Alright, but I didn't bring my Doom Cows with me.
Did you bring it with you or no?
Yeah, trade me a Shogun. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Anything?
You give it to me as a Shogun?
I was actually already gonna trade it.
I trade him? I think Reggie, man.
Oh, if you get a wishbone, I need it.
Yo, Anthony, look for that card. You know which one. Damn, you got one more pack. Oh, yeah, that's the Guardian?
No, it's the wall.
Yeah, the Cocomero. Wow. Yeah, damn, this shit looks awful, but
It's good ass effect.
yeah, it's a really good effect.
I need that Emerald
Hey, I
Blade.
pulled my penis.
Yo, Nate, come over here. I record your packs.
Come
on.
Crap, dude.
Alright. Itachi 7862.
Yeah.
Gotta say it quickly.
You want all these rares?
Woo! That thing. Nate, sit over here. Woo!
Scrap twin
Oh,
dragon.
that's good. Anthony needs this.
No, fuck that. He already has my other shit. He's gonna fucking.
Well, you buy it. I don't say you have to get it.
Yeah, I fucking ripped that pack in half. Formula Synchron.
Woo! Good. Yeah, everybody's pulling this.
Oh yeah, super.
Not bad.
He's gonna want that shit too.
3 hollows. No, 2 hollows and a good rare. Last pack. Oh shit. Yeah.
Crap.
Don't you have another one? Mischief of the Yokai?
Oh, you don't
Already
anymore.
sold.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, it's Yasha shit.
First pack. I hate
Alright,
opening
Yasha
packs,
15.
guys. I have really bad luck with packs, but hopefully it changes.
I'm sure you got some.
Players registering for the main event. Before you get to the front of the line, please make sure that you have your registration slip completely filled out. Also make sure that you have
It's a hollow.
your Kasi ID and a photo ID.
That is not a hollow.
Never mind.
The room is also not open for open play, which means once you're done with your match, please clear the room. I don't mean match, I'm sorry, once you're done with registration.
Alright, we're
Fail.
Yeah, 3 packs so far.
But you got nothing?
Yeah, 3 rares so far.
Need that 4.
4.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. I got all the good shit. This nigga's trying to shark or something?
What?
No, this nigga's keep looking over here.
might be hollow. Wow, that's fucking awful. There you go, guys. I pulled terrible like always.
Yeah.
Cause I'm a pro, not luck.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want this arm?
Formula and D2.
I didn't even pull a freaking formula. What the hell is this? 5 rares. Fucking awful. What'd you pull, Anthony? Yeah, we gotta clean all this shit. Alright, I'm gonna stop it right here, guys.
Yeah.
Brian, you didn't get anything?
I got everything you want, but I got Scrap Twin, the Super.
Any 20. That's all I need.
Yeah, Mark, at least you got a hollow, son. I got a rares. And I got the same rare twice. And it's a black crappy black ring.
Yeah, I got all the good shit right here.
Yeah.
I got 2 Ultras, a Super, and Jose pulled a Scrap Secret.
yeah. No, I didn't pull the scrap secret. You pulled the side blocker.
It's a crappy Secret.
Oh. Okay.